Hi guys, in this lecture I am going to explain how we can stop coroutine. So let's go. First of all, I will create an empty game object and I will attach my script here. Let's open it up. In this script I will define two custom functions. The first function is start coroutine function and the second will be the stop coroutine function. So let's go. Okay, now I will define the one UI text and after that I will define the coroutine logic. So first of all, now what I have done here, I have defined the text and I have defined the counter variable. When this function will start, when the coroutine will start, this counter will gradually increasing one by one and this counter value will be stored in this countdown text. Now I will start my coroutine here. The name of the coroutine is count and I will define my stop coroutine logic here. Okay, let's go to editor. I will define two buttons, one for start coroutine and the second for stop coroutine. So let's go. Button, I will assign the name start and also here start, and the second will be stop. And the last thing which I have to do, I have to define a one text. Okay, and I will drag this text here and now I will call my functions like this. This one is the function, and the one thing I have, the loop statement. The loop statement is again start coroutine and the name of the coroutine. So let's check it out. When I will press start, the countdown will start, and when I will press stop, the countdown will stop. You can see. So this was a tutorial about how we can stop coroutine, and you can practice it again and again, and I think you get it. I will come back with a new topic, so stay tuned with us, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. Goodbye.